Your stream got the accept button.
Shit, cancel, don't accept.
What do you mean?
No.
Ami want to play Mirage.
No, I accept
Legit,
it.
legit cancel lah. Just accept lah, don't waste time. You're gonna lose anyway.
I put Mirage and Cash I didn't expect Cash to come up.
Danish, what do you say? Okay, last gonna accept. Okay.
You heard what you said, Jacobs.
I mean what I
My
said.
husband and wife went out to bang Mekah.
Wow, no trust.
Then Shafiq, after they finish their tawaf
But they
or
shouldn't
Umrah. No, it's okay.
It's okay lah.
Hey, wow, so fast this time. With Jacob.
Wow, it's $17 Stonks
It sounds weird lah.
Islam like
Dude,
once you husband and wife, you can like legit. There's
You
You can do
can't do
anything,
it
you can do it in public also, you can eat pig also.
Shafiq, that's fucking bullshit. Do in public.
Dah, tell later make
Ya lah, I virgin lagi boy lah.
Hey, but Nasi, what's wrong with husband and wife having intercourse?
No, in public.
no,
Yeah lah, I
no,
think-
nothing like brother and sister.
Oh, shit, you cannot let anyone see you having sex.
Hey,
Why
But
not?
that time I show Shafiq the video of me.
Brinza,
That means you, so Shafiq means I haramkan you.
Yeah, so.
Oh wait, the XM is
Because I
$11
made
What? How many?
The XM is $11.
Wow,
What
Stonks
the
like
heck?
crazy.
you might should
I forced you to see it, right?
Yeah,
Bagus,
you did.
bagus,
You
bagus, like,
thrust
straight
it
down.
upon me. I was unexpected.
Wait, no, the video or the penis?
Both.
Cross when you change again.
Also 30th you're coming eh? Hello?
2016
Hello Besmo.
Yeah, are you going the 30th, the Ijo Vishal house one?
No.
Hello?
I can't make it.
Why?
Just fuck you.
Why you steal my survey names? It was MD then because you put MD then I cannot put LD also.
Suck my ass off.
Hello, suck his ass more.
But then they got do enema actually.
Why you suddenly ask that?
Cause he has some ass what?
So what
So
happened?
you got do
Yeah
enema.
lah.
Honestly, you think
Yeah.
Shafiq, if you do enema, you think like how much shit will come out? You're like, ugh. It's like
No, lah,
21
I mean,
years eh.
I beat her a lot
Yeah lah, but that doesn't mean everything is expelled, right?
I
The
guess.
digestive system is so healthy.
No dude, I legit beat her fucking far only.
I mean,
Remember that time? Remember that time we time out his ear, then he managed to shit finish in 1 minute.
Wait, did you...
Oh, wait, maybe you're not in that game, but I remember that game.
I haven't been like constipated in a long time.
Oh, you know they say
Wait, domesticated.
Constipated.
Oh,
No wonder
okay.
you always hungry.
Maybe yeah.
not so much shit come out his ass, what?
No, cause what goes up must come down.
Are you waiting? Come on.
You playing in Roblox, man?
That's not us fault.
No.
It is.
That's Ilhan. That's my brother.
That's not your brother.
Wait, now still got time to game eh?
Yeah, O level finish already, but where got time?
Fuck yeah.
Okay, best now.
The grind's still on.
Is he still deciding?
Yo, this guy.
Yeah, he going VJ.
Ah, serious. What a beast.
VJ and
Why are you doubting him? His
RP.
name is home, what? What the fuck?
What?
You're not here. You're not here to pick.
By VJ, I mean Republic VJ. I don't know.
Okay, never mind.
Then he taking what course?
Something in design.
Game design.
Why you want to be
I
CNM?
think so.
You want to be CNM like us?
Yeah, design got CNM, right?
I mean, yeah, we design shit right in our group project.
Wow, that's
Stupid.
cheating yeah.
Hey Shafiq, the
Shafiq, why you decline the handy? Like legit, you think about it again.
The alternate says
Why are you asking me this now?
No, like
I see, why
just
never
very
open the
I
case?
said already, I just wasn't feeling it.
No
Like
money, no money.
You go back to the hotel and lunch out, you might as well just pay someone to do it for you, right?
Yeah, bro, you might as well have a
Nice,
third
no one
party.
go be nice.
Hey, you
Together,
throw
let's
me.
see. Five.
Yes.
Like it's either you paid or you ask Ami or Ajit to do for you. That also
yeah,
cannot.
what the hell?
What? Azul, you saying what alternate what the fuck?
Aldris or Ren freeze, Danish. Yeah, you got my back, Danish? No?
Hey, I love Aldris.
No, the hits praise.
Hey, kill him, Jacobs, kill him.
The hits praise our logo.
Hey, kill him, Jacobs.
Hey, nice one,
I
nice
legit
one.
can't hear anything.
The hits praise our logo that me and my head design.
Nice.
What the shit?
Wow, they're
Shafiq-
idiots,
oh,
eh.
Shafiq never see ah.
No.
Wait, us?
I saw it, Ajit, I saw it.
I know you saw. Sure.
City.
I think Azri is a better pubs member.
Jungle.
I think his pubs group better.
Oh fuck, that's
CT
good.
where?
I mean,
Yeah,
I
this
think
guy-
our logo honestly
Jangan defuse, defuse.
Even that the others, I don't know.
Mine is just simple.
I honestly don't like. I feel it's okay. That's
I
fine.
mean,
Hey, cover
let go.
me!
Oh!
Amir don't need a team.
Yalah.
Hey, change your game, Ami. I wanna see
Amir,
more.
you give us call outs from now on.
No,
Wait,
Stop
hey,
that
Shafiq,
also.
Ami in-game leader.
Shafiq,
Yeah.
their ad hoc never changed logo for 14 years.
What the fuck?
For 13 years, yeah. Ours change
Yeah,
every
right.
year.
That's why NTU is a substandard university.
Yeah. Wait, what?
What the
Wait,
hell?
substandard means bad, right?
Except for business.
Yes. Tanish. Why you such an elitist?
I don't know,
Yes,
cause I
Danish.
cause I
What's
business.
your word?
Cause I
Actually, is it true that NUS Nanyang Business School better than NUS Business School?
No,
Then why do you never go NUS?
I don't trust NUS business.
Wait, what? No,
Oh,
like,
that's
I want
me,
to hear a concrete reason, like legit why.
Yeah, what kind of stupid
So I mean like, I don't know, NUS business got what, yeah?
As
Who
in,
the fuck goes NUS for the business?
I love people!
Yeah,
But
they
like,
only, no,
Oh,
everyone that goes NUS business goes there because it's NUS.
where's the rope pin, man?
Not because their business school is
Yeah,
especially good.
Hey,
but that's a soft reason. There's no hard, there's no facts.
Yeah,
It's
that's
just-
why there's no hard reason. It's not like SMU business where they teach you to be like very outgoing or what.
yeah, then why you choose
NBS.
NBS?
Because their accountancy is better.
Like,
I would
still
say
magic.
SMU business is. Okay, no wait. NTU is very
Okay, this is concrete reason. This is concrete reason I want. Faster. It's very technical.
They focus a lot on technology, like equipping us with technology skills. That's why I take coding lesson all. When you see Nick Kao in SMU business never take coding.
But
But
then
they
what
say-
Nabil says is true. Why would they hire?
Yeah, correct.
No,
Yeah.
Nabil doesn't know what he's saying. He supports Chelsea.
What the shit?
So in
even
so in a
see.
way, Nabil's education is inferior to yours.
I don't know.
What are you good, yeah?
Hey, Palace.
One in England.
But I say accountancy. Nabil takes Nabil takes business.
Apa tengok lah
Wah,
bila
last week. Last
Dia
week.
tarik.
Second major in in econs.
That's fucking crazy, yeah. I fucking hate econs. I don't hate it lah, but I don't like it.
Okay lah, but Nabil was H2 maths.
Hey guys, you know what to do.
Hey, Aspa! What's poppin', my guy?
He sounds like he's making a video, Amir. You see?
Hey guys, welcome
Content
to Aspa.
creator.
Hey, Danish, business degree is a soft skills merchant.
My G,
Yes.
Oh, legit. That's not something I would like. Why didn't I qualify for it?
I'm gonna go business.
As in, like, that was my first choice, to go business. But then,
Business?
yeah, why? It's like so general that you
Yeah,
that,
Mirza suits a business.
And then Desmond's mom also is that line of work, what? Roughly.
I don't actually know what business called.
What is that fucking good or what?
I just assume it's a lot of math.
No.
Hey, they smoke meat.
it's not.
Our
It's
math
legit.
is easy
It's soft skills
compared to-
merchant. Like all soft
B.
skills like that.
Oh, they mod it, jangan.
Aim
Wait,
low.
bomb drop.
Bomb drop B though.
Ami, you never turn around.
Hey, behind you already. Dracus behind you already. Connector already.
Oi, truck, one truck.
I can't hear Jacob.
Golasso.
No, it's Cam Laszlo. Actually, say it.
Camp Laszlo.
Okay, can someone tell me what is civil engineering? Because it's the lowest graded course in NUS.
Buildings,
You learn
train
how to be
systems.
nice.
Wah, attack him.
Is that why it's all C's?
I don't know.
It's basically like
What the prat guy good
Yeah.
is engineering towards buildings
Yeah, and structures,
Yeah, and structures.
like dams or what.
Bridges.
Me when you go SUSS, right?
Yeah.
What? He's not sus.
Yeah, boys.
You do the essay or that.
Huh? Yeah, I mean... is
Yeah,
that
to get in you have to do the essay, Nasim.
Yeah.
Oh, the essay. Yeah, I did that.
Waste time, Nasim. In the end,
He
they
has to
reject
write
me.
an essay about his
Aim
essay.
it. Nice.
In the end, they reject me, Nasim. Bastard, right?
1 minute.
Yeah.
One aim it.
I need help,
I make sure you don't die from connector.
Yeah. I'm gonna go. He's not in mid.
Oh,
Oh, man, you're damn good, man.
what's him? You got 3 kills already, ah.
LA Maze, ah.
Choke.
Wait!
Hey! Just when I look away from connectors, I was watching connector the whole time. God damn.
Yeah, what happened, Ruin?
Hey, what happened? How you miss a shot?
Me tilted already, huh?
No, once you killed the 3 people, I thought all of them were A already, so I left.
Oh, then you wouldn't want to know what Nemo is typing on his chat now, sir.
And there's no one correct.
Hey, come on, that's fine.
Don't send it, eh. Don't send.
Oh, it's just unfortunate timing. I was watching the whole time.
Yeah. I mean, the timing, that's timing.
That's what he says, but not what he types.
See,
Yeah,
when you're playing, when you're playing,
No, you
when
can
you're
see the video later. Like,
He's Shafiq watching CS,
No,
right?
Danish, you don't want to see the video later.
No, I trust in Ningwen's statement. Okay, now it's not the time for disunity.
Yeah, disunity, not discourse.
Hey, wait, that's the act we're using now.
That's Discord.
Oh, fuck. Hey, this guy damn good. He's fucking good. He knew I was flashing, sir. Then he took
I was
away.
wrecking him, sir. That's the funny thing.
The break guy damn
Ah, the fact.
Wait, isn't Chris Pratt the...
Oh shit.
Fuck, hey,
One
you
more up.
collect me, sir.
Be shot up. Nice.
Oh my god.
I mean.
Yeah, no.
I mean,
Oh, did
I mean, so shit. I mean,
Shafiq, you see, you
I
distracted
can't do
him.
anything.
Shafiq, you play lah, Shafiq. You want
Yeah lah,
match
talk
play?
so much.
hey, fuck you.
When you play, get third place.
Yeah, I don't know where's behind me.
I thought fuck you, exactly.
Hey, tell me why the person cook sambal belacan.
Maybe A shot, B shot.
Oh, B shot. TT.
Oh, B shot.
Audrey, say the line, Audrey, say the line.
No. Rush Amin.
Audrey, can you
Let's
say the line?
go.
What?
Buy it, just name it.
You know what line I'm talking about.
Nah, actually, B shot.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
buy
say the
it.
first word, I say the first word, you know.
No.
They really have it.
Sorry. You need to.
Let's go.
Let's go, get destroyed. One more.
After Amin.
Audrey Palace.
Audrey,
Hey, they
best.
still fight A, wow. They have so much respect for us.
Best what? Complete the saying.
Offer.
Oppo where? Oh, okay.
Outside Amin there.
It's about a meal of the day.
Oh. Okay, hold on.
I need a gun there. Sorry if I'm running. Oh, yeah, he's there.
Oh, stop, Amin.
Hey, test.
Reset.
Oh, yeah.
Last Amin.
The best wet.
Hey, Ningwen, don't push.
The
He did the
best
work already.
breakfast all time.
Just fine.
That was roti canai.
Ningwen, just
Nice.
Danish.
Amin got molly there.
Roti.
Wait.
I was echoing Kato's words.
Yo,
The MG2 said just like,
Nescafe ice.
escape it.
I pay Amin.
History.
hey, you're bastards, yeah.
Why?
Why?
But you laugh also.
I mean, he talked with his list, man. He think why people not gonna make fun of him, eh?
Bastard, sir. Play for our lead.
I play me.
Wait, not say you.
I play. Bastard, sir, Mirza.
Let's play B-shot.
I throw Molly.
I just wanna molly.
They smoke connector, eh.
We hard up high me.
Is Audrey in the game?
I'm not.
No.
No one can talk so much.
Azri B-shot.
Yeah, Azri, in the end you never chow.
Hey, they flash B.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, get dated lah.
Yeah,
Where's
I'm updating my.
Ningwen, the bad guy sucks.
Oh,
Hey, where's the red one? Gagak, right?
Bishop.
Raj reset. I updating my enemy list.
Hey, for some reason I can't hear the TTS.
You disabled it, right?
Oh yeah, because I'm the moderator, I got all the power in this server.
You do.
Yeah, I wanna say Taiko,
Hey, bench.
Bench.
Yeah, bench.
What a player, man, what a player.
Watch my shit.
Okay,
What
finally
you
again, see
playing?
some good content.
I just updating my.
Wait, why you watching hentai? Jickers? I mean, Audrey.
Why you so sick? Because he's hentai.
Azri, can you go to Balai Evergarden?
Why?
Jackers, you watching?
Wait, I can hear Ahmed twice, eh.
Go to Balai Evergarden now.
Why?
Danish, I know why you laugh.
Jackers sauce.
I mean, I don't wanna bring his family into this.
8.6.
How can you not like an 8.6?
Can you go to the...
Danish, are you more like Hanis or more like
Can you
Irfan?
put it
Or like Kakahan.
Hey, man, flash. I can't play.
Then Dini,
what's Hunter?
Anyone mid?
It's quite high, it's like 9.
Let's fucking go!
wait,
I mean,
people like that brain dead anime, Shafiq. People like that brain dead
One
anime.
aim in.
Such a bitch.
It's not brain dead, like.
Azri, check code Gias.
I need help, eh.
Hit
Oh, fucking hell.
Let's go! Better than Pineapple Garden.
Yeah, but
Scan
one
lepas, scan lepas.
both of
Ada
them
one more
are
jungle.
so something.
Hey, connector.
This is
What are zero?
that one don't even need to say.
Lane clutch, shh, lane clutch.
Yes. Well,
Don't matter, I can't hear anything.
Yeah, nice. Good.
8.54.
Okay, second season.
Yeah, lah, you're so loud, I cannot hear anything.
Shafiq, shut up.
Nice.
Don't want to hear about your shonen.
Don't really use
Hey, Jacob, inspect
You guys
everything.
watch Akira, he think he big fart.
See? When you keep quiet, he can get killed, Shafiq.
Actually, the shh was a noise.
Hey, York New City, Andre.
Yeah, yeah. Ni.
See, when I say that joke, you find it funny, you know.
She didn't laugh.
Then KPI?
Nah, ni KPI. Ni
Oh, you need to go.
OT channel itu.
Hey, he cannot take the
You're damn mean, yeah. He's born like that. Then you make fun of.
No, he cut his own, what?
Yeah.
It's like sunat but on the tongue.
He's just talking
Nice.
he's just talking about the best breakfast of all.
But I don't think he said it like that.
Then
You know how he said like, wake,
Yeah.
wake, wake.
Okay, come on. Yeah,
Yalah,
I think
fucked
it's
up.
not
Yeah.
laughing
You
lah,
can't like
Danish.
say dia bastard, but then you laugh.
Yeah, then you laugh.
Why am I laughing at their joke?
No, any
I
name.
mean- It's not a joke.
You know what you're laughing at, Danish.
I'm laughing at Keto.
Yeah, Danish, your stream lag gila babi.
No, don't watch Danish stream, watch
Sorry, the
watch
topic
Ajit
the
stream.
topic edit.
Ajit stream is better. I mean odd scene.
Don't worry, I have it under control.
Oh, that's so fast, yeah.
Nasim, it's cause they are very good.
Minga, do you run faster with that thing on?
No, cause I'll be switching out, like, I'll be holding my,
So what does the game register as your weapons?
You can go mid.
like, whatever I'm holding for the split second,
Wait,
So that means it will keep changing,
Yeah. But it's a constant speed, cause it's rotating at a constant speed, you know.
Ah.
Oh, set A, set A.
Hey, they flash.
Wait, they smoke CP. If they throw one more smoke, rotate to A.
Okay.
Wah, nice.
The door rotating the already, Danish.
No, it's okay.
So cannot to let him play properly.
No, but
Yeah, oh yeah, they only
One, I mean. Nice.
no.
Taiko, Shafiq.
What I mean?
Was that Taiko, Shafiq? You saw that?
It really was.
Hey, B. Wait,
I'm going back. Ah!
Apps.
Mid.
Yeah.
He either going connector or B short, I don't know. Or, yeah.
Hey, connector ready.
Purple, all this.
One B shot, low.
One B short.
One beyond. Then say.
I was referencing one Bisaka.
Oh, the best.
Oh, there's much
The best right back.
Oh, one more point. Is it all
Yeah, one
connector?
connector. Hey, faster rotate there.
Minga doing his own sweet
He
thing.
knew it.
Hey, go down. You know what? He go below already. Lower mid.
Oh, it's wrong button.
Hey. It's B.
Right to
Shafiq, you saw the guy dart across his screen. Yeah, laugh.
Oh,
I see.
One pass.
Minga, you got me and Shafiq watching.
one.
Oh, one guy there. Apps.
Where's
Apps.
there?
Apps.
Yes.
I think apps.
My sorry.
You have smoke.
Hey, don't backseat game can or not?
Hey, Ajit, you got smoke?
Wait, why you holding it?
Shafiq,
Oh, shit. Yeah. Game sense. Like he molly already. Don't scare one. You're all panicking,
Hey, any words about the call out?
there was no call out, what?
Yeah, oh, okay.
Oh,
Actually, I really don't know where he was. Cause I was half blind. I was like,
No,
there.
Danish. Mimi gets a pass. You
There
don't get a pass.
must be accountability
Yeah,
for
Android pass.
the action.
No, apologize.
Too late.
Danish, Mimi gets a pass because he records
Jacob's
our game.
almost like
No,
shouted
these
you.
Chinese have always gotten a pass in Singapore.
But, now they got,
bad.
but they got two Chinese now though, it's not just Mimi only.
Oh shit. The superiority is
Oi!
Oh, get dipped on.
Fucking hell.
I straight not
I know, I
stealing.
mean-
There's two.
You see, that's how you know.
There's some more.
Hey, they all got scout on it, guys.
Huh? But we got 3 scouts in this.
GG Rasim.
Hey, there's two B shot.
Hey, you
Oh.
shot your teammate Bachin.
Connector.
Oh, no wonder.
Don't call him Bachin, call
Hey,
him
one apps. Nasty one apps.
Fuck off, anyhow.
Yo,
Hey.
the guy digger you for
Don't
match.
listen to him.
Don't, no, he's lying.
Yeah, there? Where?
Ah, see how he go market. He went market already, the guy.
Yeah, sure he did.
No, he go from CT lah. Oh
Yeah,
my
he's the
God.
guy that shot at him.
Oh
He's
no.
scouting.
Oh shit.
Running headshots, yeah, no chance. It's okay, Nassim.
Yeah, everyone planning.
Brett is second.
He's just good lah, he's just good.
No.
No.
Meanwhile, you changed. Last time you were the first to say hacking. Now you're the first to say
Yeah,
hacking.
you reform it, you want. What happened?
Yeah, I'm a change man, I'm not gonna talk shit about football anymore. I'm not gonna trash talk anything.
You see what I've been saying in the group?
No.
What
What
group?
mission?
Got so many group bunks lah.
Ah, top mid.
The meme log group.
Yeah, there's 2 meme log groups.
Is it one? Take a code.
Top mid.
Yeah.
Don't have eh?
Fall back already.
Oh shit, below
Min,
me.
min.
Oh, okay. Oh, Fella's here, but
Flashing.
Fella's there.
I think Brett hacking
They
eh.
smoke A.
Hey, Fred!
Huh, the best?
The best boy first.
It's not black, wait.
Oh! Wait, what's...
Yes,
know what?
thanks for the tag, Nassim.
You know what I find funny or not? The Nescafe eyes for some reason.
Yes.
The Nescafe eyes hit different.
Hey,
How much you tag him, sir?
That was
84, yeah.
in a bowl lah.
184 in
Yeah,
minimum.
so why is he in a bowl? You know what? Next time we go like Haji Kadir, I'm gonna order that meal. I don't care.
I want
No,
Maggie time.
roti canai, Nescafe ice.
Singaporean must stay.
But I got no history.
Oh, they like everywhere.
No, you must stay from
We been on this side.
What's the word he said? What is the word he said before history?
bersama.
Shaman.
You all are just like over exaggerated this.
Yeah, y'all are bullies, yeah.
You watch the video, he said.
Shafiq,
You watch the
also
video.
were the one instigating it.
I
No, I literally didn't start anything on this.
No, you didn't start, but you continued it.
Continue what?
You were busting the guy's. You were busting the guy's tongue.
You were saying he got a nice tongue. Oh my
Hey,
god.
who talk about the tongue?
Well, don't try gaslight me, understand?
The best breakfast.
Yeah, you see?
Azri, don't censor. Say it like he said it, Azri.
How did Purple die?
Palace.
Legit ah.
Yes.
Oh, Shafiq not in the game, but can
Hey,
talk about it.
B apps. Oh, wow. Fuck. The Bishop guy is again.
I trust you. Because I trust you.
One more Bishop.
Oh, you're dead. Eh? Oh wait.
Why Palace
Just
Oh,
leave him
Purple
alone.
is Jakers.
Wake up your idea, man. I mean, Danish.
No?
Apps.
Oh, apps. This setting. Aiya, why you there, Asia?
Hey, this guy damn
One
good.
on site lah. One on
Maybe
site.
market lah.
Might be market lah.
Oh, you're right.
What the
But-
ball out.
At this point, your guess is as good as mine.
The Ridwan Gagak level 0 account with 8 friends eh.
But 8 friends is a lot though.
But he level 0 account though.
Smurfing ah. You keep having Smurf ah.
What's his previous
One
name?
on that team got 1 kill, yeah, what the fuck?
Hey, shut up lah.
I think the top 2
You want
smurfing.
go block. You want...
But we got a smurfer also, Nasir.
Oh,
There are 2 actually. Danish
But we only
another
got
one.
1 smurfer, they got 2 smurfer, how?
Yeah, Nassim, why you angkat yourself? What the fuck?
What do you mean? I'm not even smurfing.
Yeah, Danish, hello?
No. They rush. I attacked his head. No, I didn't.
Hey, connector!
Sorry, I mean.
Actually, you know, I saw the video long time ago, but I didn't know you all saw it as well.
Wow, we
You think, what's the joke now? What's the joke now?
I sent it to you on Discord, right? On TikTok, right?
yes.
So Amir started it lah.
Now I regret.
He just wanted to show me
Yeah,
what.
regret. How about just don't do it?
That's how I learn my mistakes.
That's true, you know.
He just show me what the best breakfast. These guys breakfast.
What he eat for breakfast?
So if it's a normal guy saying it right, he will not
Yes,
get this much
yes,
level of
yes.
notoriety, you know.
Just
No, but-
stop.
but-
Stop in the video, best no.
No, the thing is that guy is a celebrity in Malaysia
Shut the
also.
fuck up. Yeah, okay then. Stop talking about him.
Dani dating a
Dani
female
A,
lah.
Dani A.
Stop.
No, you are influencing other people.
Pad A.
Eh, nice Glock. Can you inspect?
Wait, at A.
Yeah,
Okay, I
Pad
don't
City.
know.
I think.
Wow, this G1 guy fucking good, yeah.
Oh my god, he damn good, sir.
The one with the solid points.
Wah, I saw damn shit, bro.
Suddenly.
Bastard.
They run dead.
Test, Dani.
No, I'm still alive.
I'm
He's
behind.
flank, Dani is flank.
Someone's chatting. Say what? Say less.
Danish, but have you actually seen the video?
Yes, I have. Oh my god.
Well, you're getting dick
Then it didn't tickle your, what's that funny bone, is it?
fancy.
No, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what my initial reaction was. It's my reaction now.
You see, so he cried himself to sleep when he first saw the video. See, then try to paint me and Ajay as the bad guy when actually he's just done it.
That's why I think you're influencing other people. I'm not saying it's not funny.
Okay, wait. I asked Mingwen.
What's the best breakfast of all time?
I think that guy's breakfast is respectable.
He's not seen the video. Have you seen the video or not? Maybe.
Yeah.
Hey, one ticket both. I say already, don't say.
don't mind eating that for breakfast.
Hey, go out,
Wait, no, it's not about that.
Dani.
Wait, is it about the breakfast? No.
I don't know, I was blinded.
Normal person
Ada plus.
all he take into account is just
I did the city guy.
I'm asking about the breakfast.
Okay. Basically, two piece prata and iced coffee. It's quite nice. Right?
Yeah, that's quite nice.
And the wife must have the what? Bersama isteri. You know, isteri, right?
Simple breakfast.
Yeah, see, Mingwen, nice right there.
Set
Wait,
A or what?
Gobi. The top 2 play A. Gobi.
Actually, but it's not a simple breakfast though. It's the best breakfast of all time.
Yes.
Ame, sorry, Ame. It's here to stay, Ame. I'm sorry, it's here to stay.
I regret sending Ali the video already.
No, but the thing is, I saw it first.
We're gonna die by next
I'm not that.
Yeah, but then because Azri keeps saying it and then after that you like
Go. Flashing out
Go,
already. Go.
These guys don't let us
Hey,
See funny video, then talk about funny video lah. Why
no,
cannot
like
talk
it's
about
funny, but then you guys like say too much already.
No, if it's funny then it's never
I mean that time we also suck off Salt Bay and like I don't know. Wait, what is the joke that we like to suck off before this joke?
Market.
We always suck off a
Market,
specific
to
joke.
market.
I got a mission.
Oh, Adri, I know what joke already.
No, I think,
Nice.
The sushi, tamaki.
yes. I don't know why you brought that back up. Why is that?
Set A, I don't know.
He never say tak sengaja.
No, Gobi. The top 2 play.
He did, I swear he did.
This guy.
Okay, you know what's a funnier video? What are the homework?
You don't fucking funny. Now I can get behind there. Every time I see a
It's a 4v5. Who sent
That one
it?
we say how many times. Y'all don't have
the
the,
whole tidur.
but they don't have the same energy.
How about
Flashing.
how about
Go.
the man ordering nasi lemak from the Indian man?
Indian.
hey, fucking flash lah. God damn.
Nice flash.
I legit had him
Hey,
in my
Mingwen.
sights, then he just like shifted around
Hey,
from the
behind,
flash.
not clear, Amir.
How bye.
Haha, got a bomb shot, let's go!
What the hell?
Open market.
Don't play market.
Pick. Nasim.
It's a smoke. Last time you got smoke.
Azri, the guy ordering a food from an Indian man.
Yes.
I just wanna say right that I found all these videos.
Yeah, I say no, I don't, but you say don't laugh.
Yeah, then why?
Last guy.
But wait, but now you're kind of
Okay.
stupid. So you don't get credit.
Yes, tengah.
I suggest uninstall the app. Then. For real.
You just find the funny video yourself on Twitter, then then like
Yeah, I just laughed at myself.
Who wants the op? I cannot op. One.
the Scott Parker, Buzz Parker, fucking funny that one.
What?
Hey, come on, give them credit lah.
I do.
But that was referring to Mourinho, right? Not Lampard, right, Mingwen?
Yes.
I have no idea. I don't know. First time see that.
Yeah, that's why I was referring to me. Because they draw 1-1.
You don't know how to set A.
Oh yes,
No.
Jacob, it's not that
You
hard.
think you Nova 3, Nova 4, Nova
Yeah, but I mean you didn't buy.
I get one.
Yeah,
Oh, rushing.
They all. Holy shit.
Wow, keeper.
It means you know how to do
Ah,
that.
Amir.
I had to.
Wow, fuck that.
Safi, our commentary is
Hey, what are you doing? Purple and green. Come to side.
Trying to switch the op.
Yeah.
Oh, I got bombed
I
down
got
already. I'm
fucked so
alone.
hard.
I prefer you commentating on games rather than playing. Because playing, watching you play, like legit, like wow.
I'm not even shit. Sometimes.
Maybe I'll.
No, my gun is nicer.
Hey, what's the op call in Valorant?
Operator. Actually, we don't get to talk about Valorant.
Danish, can you rank up to silver?
Can you not get carried?
Oi, get sent back to Malaysia with your Nescafe eyes.
That's an unfounded insult. Shafiq didn't get carried. See, Shafiq,
Why are you highlighting?
Wait, oh, I forgot this Ningwen stream. I thought it was Azri's stream.
Yeah, wait, I smoke market.
Because Azri like to baggro also.
Hey.
Fuck, the bomb is there.
Danish, you bring the ball all the way to me.
Shafiq, do you see what? Shafiq, do you see the baggro action Mingwen did?
Yes, I saw that. Let's go lah, Osin.
Yeah, I guess it's not needed.
Go away, go away.
B.
Hey, last B, 1B, 1B, 1B.
Hey, Mingwen, can you translate the op? Can you translate the op name? Fuck.
Run to it.
Should I go by here? I don't know.
Wait for me.
Yeah.
Anyhow only, this smoke.
Eh, Nasim, kenapa tak? Oh,
Take out
okay.
your gun.
Wait for me.
Yeah, speak Malay when got two Chinese.
Kau tak ada senjata sebenar.
Wait for me.
What?
Let them play.
Go.
Choke jungle.
Eh, never check ninja.
Bottom 2.
Wah,
Use the whole.
Like 2 kills, dude. Fucking easy.
Hey!
Nice.
Easy. Oh, Nasim.
You got better so hard by me there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Teamwork, Nasim. See? That's all.
Teamwork
The
means the
smoke.
teamwork.
First landed at B, they thought I missed smoke at B. It's the Carrigan smoke what? He did that against Unafu.
Carrigan.
I heard Carrigan.
Carrigan.
What?
Oh,
Jake?
Carrigan.
I didn't say character.
Carrigan speed at the...
I saw stairs. No, he saw stairs.
Actually, FIFA knows.
That's the only smoke I know.
No, it's stats.
I think got one
Hey,
email.
that's me and Azri's joke though.
No, you can't fucking copyright jokes, idiot.
It's a decoy.
Yeah.
Koi!
Shafiq, you saw that, Shafiq.
Eh, under palace, I think. Or at palace.
Under palace.
Eh, then one more stairs.
Scotty.
Last guy.
You see?
Wait, isn't that Justin Bieber song?
Eh, cover CT lah. What y'all doing?
See, Danish, Ajay could have played one more game, sir.
Yeah lah, this Ajay, I know Ajay wasn't gonna leave.
He just don't want to play fast cause he thought he don't want to be stalled again.
No, I'm just kidding.
No,
Oh,
but
Shafiq.
no, I genuinely.
Shafiq, you didn't want to derank right with them, that's why.
Yeah lah, all fucking shit.
You can just put these.
You guys
out.
are up.
Yay, body starting, let's go!
Hey, let's go. He's in my team also.
Body party.
James.
Hey, Danish and Shafiq, y'all got play FPL at least one season before, right?
Yes.
Danish, you got bomb, huh?
Oh, I can't see my crosshair.
Danish, remember you put that Bournemouth player?
Yes. Max Gradel.
Oh,
That's not what I want me to do with it. I'm holding fellas.
That is trolling, guys, huh?
Oh, fuck.
Danish, calm down, Danish.
Danish, it's a Loyang gang, you cannot like this.
Jungle.
Window right side. Ah, jungle.
Oh, then...
GG.
Yeah.
Stairs slow.
Oh, I got tagged. My jungle and under palace. Jungle.
Oh, Nasim, alright, Nasim. Alright.
Oh, nice! Oh, you are damn good.
Hey, you're
You're insane.
decent.
Oh, hi.
This really is a team game, yeah, I love it. What the fuck?
No, don't have.
Last guy is spread.
Who's streaming? How do you guys know?
Fred.
Damn shit.
Planted for nowhere.
Low, he low. 15 HP.
Molly, right?
Molly.
Oi.
Let him play.
There, behind.
Run into the flame. Oh.
I don't think it reached him.
But he's scared, he got scared of her.
Yeah, he scared the flame will spread.
Drop one.
Can drop me AK?
Yeah, I can drop me AK. Thank you.
Sure.
Thanks for dropping the
Who got
back.
the
Danish. Minta maaf, Danish.
Actually, you still watching High School
Danish,
DxD?
you troll them, you
Yeah.
win the round, you should troll more.
Oh, okay, then I shoot you now.
Just kidding, Danish.
Actually, you still watching High School DxD?
I finished
Huh? Watch for a rush or we rush?
They might run.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my god.
I finished that a long time ago.
Hey, where?
Wait,
Wow!
Stairs. One we smoke.
one
Easy.
bisa class. Oh, push out lah.
Yeah, Ming's already.
Eh, under palace. Under palace.
Oh, Ming, you're damn good at entry fragging.
No, I entered first. Then I give him info.
Yeah, but who got the kill?
City.
Yeah.
CT ah.
One left.
Yeah, Mai. Cepat lah, Mai.
City
Oh my god, he's damn good.
Just hold up this push.
Hey, let me play.
Next. Go lah.
Okay, you scan him already. Just back off.
Oh shit, he never jigger.
You walk.
That's kinda gay though. Hey,
Wait, S or hits? I don't know.
He actually I swing out to pick me, sir.
Look waffle.
He like Tycho,
Oh,
he scout
man.
everyone.
Hey, Danish, search blue waffle on Google. It's like a picture of a blue waffle.
Miza,
That's a secondary school joke, yeah.
Miza, I want to makan that thing.
I mean, it's just a blue colored waffle, right?
Yeah.
Just like how a lemon party is a party with lemon.
Sound
No,
drop
it's
Amir
a lemons
AK,
having
sound
a
drop Amir
party.
AK.
Go B.
Yeah,
Amir
nah.
said they never drop you off, shit, Amir.
Zafik, sleepy, go sleep lah, fuck.
You tiba, shut the fuck up.
Eh, who dropped me off?
Wait.
Hey, yeah, okay lah.
Never mind.
Hey, switch with me. Danish.
Zafik, we missed one lecture and one tutorial of NM2 104 already. So we might as well just get F already.
Yeah, miss tutorial right? Tutorial start already right?
Make so much.
I mean, it starts week 1.
Oh yeah.
Yo, lancar.
Eh, move, man. Eh, don't flash. Okay, if I get flash while on side, right?
One bed, Danish, one bed.
Bench row.
Oh, okay.
How do I hold the bomb out?
Oh shit, upper market. Two market.
Peek, blue, peek.
Rush.
Two market. Wait, no, one market. The last one don't know where.
Oh, nice. Hey, Nasim.
Three shot. Oh, Nicholas, that was mine.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, 30 frag ready, let's go.
What the hell? Nasim 30 bomb.
I say fucking good.
See, Zafik, without you,
Yeah, like, I mean, like, shit,
Shafiq, you're actually the best player in
Oh,
CS I
thanks,
ever
man.
seen.
No, Shafiq. If you were playing in place of me, right, we would be winning by a bigger margin.
I don't know.
Go B
Let's talk
again.
to Danish.
Someone
Why
molly
you-
van can then or someone else molly van.
Eh, go B again.
By the way, it's still 0-0.
Shafiq, you know Sana say you very good in CS.
It's a 10-man eh.
I tell you, Chelsea fine. Like,
Meanwhile, it's time to bring out Silver, you know?
I think I'm a long time away.
Oh shit, Danish, you blocked my molly, sorry.
Yeah.
Hey,
go back,
Loyang
go back.
Primary eh, oi.
Go back. B feels so hard. Okay, they might push me already.
Yes, sir.
Hey, one hacker in jail Danny.
Yes, he beat up Danish.
Nice.
In jail, Zabur and Taurat.
Danish, you killed the top frag guy, damn good, sir.
Yeah. Just
keep your friends.
Danish,
one
you
palace.
have-
Eh, one stairs. I mean not palace.
Stairs.
Stairs.
Excuse me.
Two stairs.
I tell all my...
Eh, Nasim, you got the bomb.
Front watch.
That's triple. But for
Hey,
triple is
Where
bad.
the fuck he shoot me from?
Yeah, in the corner. Last him.
Someone shot me. Oh,
Wait, connector. I flashing connector.
I don't know. I was.
One side.
I don't know why I keep headshot people, yeah.
How did I get stacked?
Shut up.
Zafik, in FIFA Mobile, do you actually play the game?
Thank me
Yes.
for 4.
Then why you
You
keep
run
saying
away.
like... You like your Chilwell squad, like, you know, that kind.
I just
I pick in, man.
but when you play the versus attack mode, it's just like you get different chances to score. Then who can score the most?
So it's not actually playing or what?
I said in the versus attack mode, right? They are not preference that, but saying in that specific mode. Bitch.
It's preface.
Left side,
Yeah, it's
right
not
side, right
prefer.
side.
Oh,
Don't
don't
be.
be.
Fucking good.
Danish, cut the
Haha,
chat.
get milk, Mingwen.
What's your plan, Danish?
Yeah, I wanted to throw smoke. Wait, I smoke window now, then we push mid.
Eh, throw in Ame's car.
One Chelsea.
Shit. Ambil.
Hey, Chelsea is one.
Hey, right side, window. Oh, he fell back already.
Timo Werner the champion.
Oh, half HP connector.
One on the left side.
Hey, Nasum gila babi
Hey, that doesn't make sense. I'm on top. Walao.
But fire burn out.
Yeah, Lampa, you ask the fireman.
Right.
Where you going?
Okay,
No, no,
Kui,
wait.
City, Kui, come for triple again.
Don't ask me, don't ask me.
Danish, you have 3 HP, you might as well just die right, you know?
Hey, you're right. I didn't even see him.
Front for connector.
One guy CT. Ah, the guy don't know.
Oh, the guy fucking good. The jungle guy is a scouter.
What the hell?
But Nasim is better.
Yeah, Nassim is the best.
Nassim is
This guy doesn't
better.
even know he's here.
I damn tired. You see how I'm better. You
I
cannot
don't
find
know,
more.
they don't know where.
They know they pick up guns.
They don't. Oh man.
Oh man, cannot camouflage ah.
No.
No. I mean,
See, they're very stupid. Sia, plant bomb them. Why not to plant inside the box right? Then cannot defuse.
Eh, that's true.
Danny, spike planter, Danny.
Danish, you want what gun? I can give you.
A again.
SG.
I feel like the top right pay me now.
I don't plant bomb. I don't know how to plant bomb.
Wait, so go B or A?
A. Stay lah, stay. I'll go palace.
That's it.
We need a jungle smoke though.
55 points.
No, Mason Mount scored!
Layman sound.
Because it's okay, man.
City.
They molly aiming.
Can't really they're scraping past
Tell me when, what time?
Danny, walk.
Is there a jungle smoke?
No, actually, I thought you said they're frauds. Fuck.
they're only scraping.
You know Fulham are not shit anymore, right?
Yeah, I know.
I'm under passage. Go.
Yeah, still crowd some more, Danny.
On jungle, I think.
You see, I got 2 kills.
Okay, actually, that's true, yeah.
Yeah, top right there. Crashing out.
City one.
your stream suddenly-
Cable.
Fuck!
Hey, move. Wait, down there.
Hey, city.
Hey, take a
Don't pick.
Last guy, mate. Don't pick. He's faking.
Oh.
He doesn't know the heck.
Wow, man, you completely juke him.
Wait,
sia.
I mean, no.
Question mark
Nobody's gonna know, I mean.
question mark him. The top right. Question mark him.
Why you question about him?
Game solve.
No, don't.
Nassim, he's gonna hack now, so I mean, catch my him.
See, that why we play with one later they toggle on eh.
Rush B. They are smoking. Why they talk on? Just make him steal. Then make him sweet place.
Ah, you see, Vingon?
Ah shit, okay, bye,
Aiyah.
good night, guys, I go sleep.
16 for pain, astaghfirullah.
Danish, why you jinx us?
Vingon, you know tilting the opponent is negative, right? Because we don't know.
So we must do the right thing.
Must lunch up.
Wait. Later I open up knife. 2 pink skins already, Nassim.
Shafiq,
So
remember
you
that
say I
time?
open pink skin, open
Shafiq, remember that time?
I don't know.
Yeah, nice.
Get destroyed.
He AFK, he go take Milo.
Right. That's fair, right?
Remember that time I bet if the guy scored a penalty I buy Bruno Jens, then he actually missed. Remember or not? Okay, you know what? I don't talk.
No, I do.
Wait, was it 2 times? Like, I think it was twice, right? Like, I said first penalty, then after that is Iceland miss also, then something like that. lah. But I know I got away with it twice.
They proper suck dick.
I mean, that's you're damn lucky in life, yeah. Your NS also lucky.
Yes,
Yeah, damn lucky.
No, I consider those like infantry.
But infantry get a lot of money. You can enforce your power on recruits. Eh.
Can you all walk until I...
Yeah, you see?
Hey, fucking
Get
Yeah,
destroyed by
see,
the
not
guy.
just me, not just me, say the
You
walk.
run first, run.
No, but you say very
Run B.
Lakers say very nicely.
Okay, then we walk into apartments.
But maybe
The
inconsistent.
beach-
Sometimes say walk, sometimes say run. So I don't
Yeah,
know.
then sometimes give wrong call out.
So what's
Yeah.
the plan?
Takers fake A, then we go out.
Hey,
Yeah, I go first, please. Let me go first.
Okay, go down.
Eh, whoa!
Hey, don't fucking talk. Okay, you hop there. I'm not gonna move.
Hey, side. Be
No,
shot.
be shot. Eh? I thought be shot, yeah.
Side, be shot.
Wait, what?
Behind
Side
the
last,
wall.
yeah, not be shot.
Yeah, I
One
thought
more,
got be
one more,
shot.
Danish, one more side.
No more.
Oh, nah, the side, the one more guy.
Market.
Nah.
Hey,
Hey,
one side.
alamak. I had shots behind me.
Oh, this guy hacking.
Yeah, he's a king, sir.
Wait, Jacobs, you say that or did anyone say that?
What? I said that.
Why you can't tell their voices apart?
Sharon definitely.
I mean,
Sophie, you sound like
Hey, I'm once
a piece of
again
cheese, eh?
asking for a donation.
There you go, Danish.
Thank you. So I make my intentions clear rather than expecting my teammates to know.
Yeah, see?
Danish,
Yeah, I wasn't directing anyone.
Danish, do you like bocah?
No, it's okay, I'm your anger translator.
No, Miko never told me this game.
What?
Then why is he guilting himself now? Hey, everyone!
Hey, push out lah. I will push out, you know.
Come on, the guy like, hey, where is he from?
Haha.
No, wait.
Tiga pun, tiga
I
pun.
check on the palace. Under palace.
Hey,
There's
jungle.
Nah, I mean, okay, honestly, it's not hacking. You're not hacking.
Oh,
You're not hacking.
Nothing.
Not hacking.
Tiga pun.
not hacking.
Low, guy low.
He not picking lah.
Wow, perfect time to pick.
Yeah, that's why I say he's hacking.
Yes.
The moment Nassim swap over to TK booth, the jungle guy pick up.
He's from
Wah, Nassim, 35k.
Nasi, remember?
This spread guy, dog face, head dog, no.
Nasi, remember when Mingwen killed the other team, you see?
Oh yeah, I mean actually that's
Oh, the
right.
Liverpool
Now,
one ah. Oh yeah, Liverpool one what?
I mean this game.
I only see one question mark like.
Yeah, then now he triggered, then he toggle on already.
He was
Keeper,
really
that 43 kill. Bro.
Wah, Shafiq,
Nah,
you
smurfing
you
or
are-
hacking ah.
Yeah, what, faster. What's
5 men ah,
Five
boosting
men,
service.
How the Nova 4 so tight, sia? Reminds me of
Bastard.
some Nova 4.
Who's
So
yeah?
you call me tight bastard, sir.
Eh, who
Okay,
direct?
no, I was talking about the 35 kills guy, not the.
Yeah, that's what you direct.
I didn't ready.
Sial.
Hey, I'm Nova. I'm still Nova 3.
Top 10 things that you don't know how they got there. Menu at top table. Shut up, Ajay. I know you're gonna say that, Ajay. See, I know.
Wow, actually, stirring shit. This menu.
No, actually, because Ajay sent me the elephant meme. Remember?
Menu leave rent free, I don't know.
You send that to me.
No, you sent the elephant meme to me.
No, you send that to me. Oh wait, then I said classic joke.
Yes,
You-
that's right.
You're not watching the live
Like,
Oh, in the Instagram live. I don't know.
the Chelsea game.
I'm tired, yeah.
Oh.
Ajay, Menu at top table is like an elephant on top of the tree.
yes.
No one knows how he got there, but everyone knows he's gonna fall.
Then it's hanging from a very small.
Facebook football memes are funnier than Twitter football memes.
Like, true football OG from Facebook what?
Yeah, Facebook